I'm going to be reviewing Fidelity Cash Manager. Now I'm going to show you the couple of things that it has, right? For example, it has receive alerts. You can activate self-funded overdraft protection, and you can see how it works here on this demo right here, right? You can optimize your cash with investment, and if you want to open a Fidelity Cash Management account, you just have to click on this to open it right now. But I think you do have to have a Fidelity account in place, or you can also sign up from the web, right? You can see this is an alternative to the traditional banking that can pay you more, right? It has a 4% 7-day yield and around a 2.21% annual percentage yield, right? Which is pretty good. It has award-winning account with features to help your goal like ATM fee reimbursement, competitive rates, and no fees, right? So no fees to get in your way, real-time insight for right-time decision, and build routines to make a saving habit. Pretty good stuff. I do have a review here as well from Business Insider, and you can see the Fidelity Cash Management account sits at a very proud 4.2.5 out of 5 star right there. You can see there's no monthly service fee, 2.21% annual percentage yield, and a minimum opening deposit of $0. If you want to see the pros and cons, you can see the cons is only other online accounts pay even higher interest rate, and there's very few physical locations. But if that's something you don't mind, then of course Fidelity might be the right options for you. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.